Good morning, everyone. Today I'm still playing with that DIY lemon twist that I made with Hot Buy paper pad from Michaels. And I am scrapbooking my youngest granddaughter, Skylar, and she was playing this little guitar, and it was so adorable because she was singing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. So I just thought it was so cute. I have to scrapbook it. And so anyhow, I'm using these two papers and one of the cards, 3x4 cards that says capture every moment, and it has the little camera on there. I thought it was so cute. And then I pulled out this paper that I have with music notes, since she's singing a song and playing the guitar. And this is like one of those ombre. So I'm gonna use this to actually, bounce my phone around. I'm going to put the music on that. I just had to have music paper. I wish I would have had a music die, but I didn't have one. But if she's going to play the guitar, now Aiden is taking guitar lessons, so maybe they'll have a band. I thought that would be so cute. Okay, so I'm going to put these three, and you know, lots of times I mat them, but I wanted them to be so continuous that I'm not matting them. I want them to feel almost like, you know, you're watching her. Because it was actually, I've taken these from a little video. And I'm going to try to put these on here without taping them together. This one's actually a little blurry, but it was I wanted 3, and it was the best one I could get out of the little tiny video that her mom had made of her. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of maybe start out a little bit lower here, and then kind of have one up a little higher and then one down a little lower, and just a little bit of overlapping. Okay, and then I thought about using a sketch, but this just came to my mind, and I thought, oh, I have to do that. So, okay, so I'm going to put this a little more towards one side than the other, because I'm going to, let's see here, I got almost 1.5 inches. Oh, wait a minute, I'm going to pull it over a little bit more. So, this should be pretty good here, because this gives me about 1.75 inches over here, and this is actually only 1/8 less over here. Oh, and I think I have it up just a little higher than what I want it. So let me try from there. Actually, I think I figured that I needed about 2 inches. So yeah, that should be good right there.
Taking the trash out for you, mistress.
Oh no, the husband's got a lot of days off, so he'll be showing up, I'm sure. Okay, and then, so I've got that, and then I've got this little 3x4 card, and I'm just gonna kind of tuck it underneath this one a little bit, just so everything's kind of connected. And I put dimensionals underneath, or down at the bottom, because it's overlapping these two papers, so it kind of sticks up a little bit. So I thought, to kind of even it out, I'm gonna do this, and I used the ones that are low profile. I think that's what they're called. So I'm just gonna stick them there, and kind of, I want it kind of straight. So since I've got the pictures crooked, then I want the little card straight. Okay, and I'm gonna call it the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And when I put the words down, I'm gonna put them like this. For some reason, I feel like they need to be going like this. I don't know why, but I don't know, maybe because the spider went down the water spout. I don't know, but I want them to be crooked like this, or you know, each one at its different level. So I'm gonna pause it and put these down, and I'll be right back. Okay, I think I've got them right where I want them. It's like if you've seen me move them around as much as I do, you'd go, oh, that's why she always puts it on pause. Okay, and I have this little guitar, and I don't think I brought out the rest, but these I bought at Tuesday morning because I knew I had these pictures. So, and I've done other pictures of the girls playing guitar and stuff, but this is the youngest one I've got playing the guitar, and I'm just gonna put this here. It looks like the one she has there. So I'm putting that right there. And then I've got a yellow butterfly from the layered, what are they called? Layered, oh, lemon twist layered pieces. So I've got this little butterfly, and I'm gonna put this on here. And then I didn't use any of the layered or the brads the last time I did it. And it's like, I love the brads, have to use them. Let's see. So I'm just gonna put it so the little gingham is kind of sideways, since I have these lines going this way. I think it looks better having it in another direction. And then I have this one with the turquoise, and I use this paper collection because of her having the turquoise shirt on. And so I've got this little butterfly, and I'm gonna let it overlap the guitar a little. I just thought they were so cute. And then I went to my Halloween section and got a little spider, and this was the cutest spider. So this is the one I have to use. I debated whether I want to use one or not, but my husband goes, oh yes, you have to have a spider on there. And so I found the cutest one that I could find, because I'm not really a big spider fan, but if we have to have one, it has to be cute. And this one has a little spider web too, so, and he's got squiggly eyes. It's almost like what's not to love. Oh, and of course I got it overlapping the R here, so I'm gonna try to move it just a little. Okay. Since I put that glue on there. Okay, and then I have one of the little turquoise hearts from the Bits and Pieces. So I'm doing a yellow, a black, and a turquoise. Let me see, I'm gonna put it a little higher, I think. Kind of let it go off the... A lot of times I try to bring things over all the different papers that I use, because I love the collage. I always have loved collage. It's always been fun. Okay, and then I have another one of the brads that I'm putting there. And then I had these left over from when I made the kit and pulled some of these little the little flags that I had made previously. So I'm going to use them, because if I put flags in a kit, I will probably use them every single time, because I just think they're so cute. And if it looks like it fits with the theme, it's like, yeah, gotta have them. They're adorable. Oh, and the reason how come I slid this over a little bit is because I knew that these were gonna come over this way a little bit more. Okay. And I always put glue on the flag, the paper part, the little flag area, and then down the toothpick. And I do have a video on how to make these. They're super easy, super cute. I really like them, and it gives you something dimensional that is so easy. And because, you know, paper is wood, wood is paper, they're easy to glue down. Okay, and now I think I'm gonna have to have, even though I'm doing a chipboard piece over the bottom again, like I did the last time I used this collection. So I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put a dimensional over here and then over here so that it lifts it up a little bit from the toothpicks, and we'll kind of go around the toothpicks. And then I may want one bigger one. And do I have them in there? I know I have thicker ones someplace. And do I see them? No. I don't know where I have them. Not them. Okay. Well, I'll use one of these. It's not the thicker one, but one's better than none. I'm going to put this at the bottom because the whole thing will be up a little bit further. So since I'm going to put them around the sticks. Oh, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the sticks too. It just helps everything connect together. Okay. And this was on the Brad pack. So it was a piece that was right here. But it was so pretty, I had thought, oh, I'm going to use that to wrap around my toothpicks. I think I have it on there correctly. Yep. And then I have one of the little foam hearts in black. So in each section I have, oops, so I got wax paper on it. So I'm using black, turquoise, and the yellow in each little section. And this one almost blends in, but it was going in that direction, so it had to be there. So that's why I figured I'd bring in the black heart too. Because this with the grays, it didn't show up as well. Okay, and then I have these. They're My Mind's Eye Happy Days Brads, and I'm going to use these ones because they look just like the perfect color. Enamel dots to be on this page. Okay, and I think I'm just going to use a medium and a small over here because I've already got the 3 embellishments that are all round. Oh, I think I need another little one. It looks like it. Okay, where do I want it? Maybe up here. Okay. And then over here by the little spider, by the itsy bitsy spider, I mean, I'm gonna put a couple also. They just seem like the perfect color to add. Maybe there. Okay. So that's it for today. And I will have close-ups at the end. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.